The first camera comparison I did between the 3 sub 250 gram drones that I have that is capable of shooting 4K 30 FPS, the Mini 2, the Mini 3 and the Autel Nano Plus only contained overcast footage. So the other day heading back from work, it was a very nice blue sky. So I thought I would capture some additional footage that will allow you to judge the daylight capabilities of these 3 drones. I know you want the low light version. I'm working on that. I have recorded the footage. I just need time to edit it. For now, this will give you a pretty good idea of the camera capabilities in daylight between these 3 drones. And as usual, I've uploaded all the footage to the Tech Drone Media website so you can download it and pixel peep it yourself. Both photo and video samples are available. So what do you think? Which one is the winner? Let me know in the comments below. By now, I made a ton of videos of the Mini 3 and I've compiled all of these videos in a playlist that you can access through this card. I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give it a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching and I'll be seeing you around.